everyone, welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Neighbouring villages of the state to get monthly and yearly pass for the Goa government's entry tax. File passed on Thursday, sent to the PWD. Controversial denotified land at Daboli again becomes bone of contention. AAI stuck on the demand for the land. CM flatly says no. Anti-narcotics cell of Goa police arrest Japanese DJ with illegal possession of charas and liquid LSD. Marga police arrest history sheeter. Name reflects in possible NSA list. 4-lane road from GMC to Donapal, renovation of Panji bus stand, third bridge along Manduvi, parking facility from Panji to Beti, master plan of Panji open for public suggestions till 28 July. And Dutch Open success gives a boost to Akanksha Salunke's hunger for squash. Hard work in practice has paid off, says Akanksha. And now the news in detail. Neighbouring villages of the state will get monthly and yearly pass for Goa government's entry tax. The file proposing this relaxation to some of the neighbouring villages was pending before the Finance Ministry from past many weeks. The file was passed on Thursday. PWD Minister Sudin Daulikar claims that the revenue earned by the state government would be utilised to make better roads.
एंट्री टॅक्साची कन्सेशनची एंट्री पास तयार करपी एक फायल तुम्ही मूव केली फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंटाक तिची कितें जालें मागीर
ही फायल एंट्री टॅक्स विशीं जे कन्सेशन दिवचे अशें आशिल्ले आमचे नियर बाय राज्यांतले ज्यो तालुके आसा
हय
तांकां ती फायल मुख्यमंत्र्यान क्लियर केल्या आनी आमी वर्कआउट करून मंथली आनी इयरली पासेस कशे आसतले हे फायनान्सा ह्या आठवड्यात धाडटले आनी त्या नंतरूच ते इम्प्लिमेंट जातले. एक गोष्ट अशी आसा की सगळ्याक एंट्री फी लावची अशें थारला आनी त्या बेजिसचेर आमी हे डिसिजन घेतला की तांकां मंथली किंवा इयरली पासेस दिवचे आनी त्या प्रमाणे मुखार फायनान्सान क्लियर केले नंतर ते डिसिजन आमी घेतले.
ओके सगळ्यांक म्हणजे ती स्पेशल भायल्या गाडयांकूच आसतली.
फर्स्ट इन्स्टंट भायल्या गाडयांकूच आसतली. हे जे रस्ते आसा ही जी फी येता ते सगळे रस्ते आमी इम्प्लिमेंट करचे ठरयल्या. आतांच नॅशनल हायवे अनमोड टू हांगा आसा ताजो रुंदीकरण दोनी सायडीचे शोल्डर सारखे करपाचे ठरयल्या आनी प्लस हॉटमिक्स रोड करपाचो ठरयला अनमोड टू फोंडा जवळ 30-32 किलोमीटर रोड. हो रोड जवळ 14 ते 15 कोटी रुपया आमी खर्च करताले थ्रू नॅशनल हायवे. त्यानंतर जो रोड आसा चोरला घाट त्या चोरला घाटातलो रोड जवळ 8-9 कोटीचो संबंध रोड आम्ही नोव्हेंबरात घेतले. त्या खातीर जे पयशे आमकां लागतले ते हातूंतल्यानूच वापरले गेले वतले.
ओके इंटरनल रोडा खातीरूय खर्च जातले पयशे.
इंटरनल रोडूय जे आसा ते जे डांबरीकरण ना ते जातले. प्लस अंडर प्रधानमंत्री सडक योजना हाजे सकल जवळ 139 किलोमीटर रोड आम्ही अपग्रेडेशन अंडर घेवपाचे ठरयल्या
सेंट्रल फंडांतल्यान.
आमकां
पास जावन येयला तो फंड
ते येतले ते आनी अपग्रेड केले आतां स्कीम ती.
State government and Airport Authority of India are in a fight over the controversial denotified land at Daboli Airport. Airport Authority has been demanding land under Survey 8-1, proposing various plans. Government is not in a mood to hand over the land to the AAI. CM Parrikar says that the airport authorities have enough of land with them. Prudent is in possession of the letter. Here's a special report.
Daboli Airport Authority is eyeing land under survey number 8/1. However, government says that they are not ready to hand over any more land. CM Parrikar says that private land was acquired by the government and was given to the Airport Authority. But later in 2011, Congress-led government took the land back and handed it over to the owner of the land. Director of Goa Airport, M. Suresh, had sent a letter to government on 13 February 2013 asking for the land under survey number 8/1 proposing various plans. The letter mentions some of the reasons why the airport authority needs land. Car and coach parking space, cargo warehouse and fuel farm, and with new terminal building need to increase parking space. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had asked the airport authority to furnish a detailed plan. Authority replied to the government on 12th April. Prudent is in possession of the letter. Airport authority's plan said 4-acre land for car, coach and taxi parking, 3-acre land for ATF oil fuel farm dump, 2-acre land for cargo complex, warehouse and airline office. However, CM is not happy with the bifurcation. He says that the airport authority should have given a detailed plan. The plan should have mentioned area-wise divisions. He has also cleared that he would not give land for warehouse and fuel farm.
Chairman बरयल्या पत्रांत त्या जाग्यार कार पार्क हो शब्द सुद्दां ना. ना हाजेर ताका हांव 50,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर जागो दिवं, पण इट इज मेनली फॉर कार्गो वेअरहाऊस एंड फ्युएल फार्म. ह्या दोनूय एक्टिविटीक हांव दिवपाचो ना. If they want cargo, let them take it from Navy. Fuel farm टाक्यो बांदपाक पेट्रोलाच्यो. दिल्ली जमीन तांकां पार्किंगा सकट सगळ्या गजालीक एडेक्वेट आहा. If they can't do it न्हय, let them hand it over to me. म्हजे कडेन जमनी दी, हांव सगळे पार्किंग बिर्किंग सगळी फॅसिलिटी हांव डेव्हलप करता.
This tussle has gained more importance on the backdrop of Mopa airport controversy. Senior reporter Loki Shilkar for Prudent.
Anti-narcotics cell of Goa police has arrested a Japanese national Yasuji Hingata with the illegal possession of 568 grams of charas and 1.81 grams of liquid LSD. He is a DJ. The value of the seized drugs is approximately 8 lakh rupees. The accused was arrested from Wagator when he came to deliver the drugs to a prospective customer. Meanwhile, Margaon Town Police arrested Javed Sheikh. Javed's name reflects in the possible NSA list. He has 4 heinous crimes registered against him. Anti-narcotics cell of Goa police on Thursday arrested a Japanese national Yasuji Hingata for illegally possessing 568 grams of charas and 1.81 grams of liquid LSD. After receiving specific information, a team of ANC trapped the accused Yasuji Hingata near football ground at Small Wagator, Anjuna, and arrested with the drugs when he came there to deliver the drugs to a prospective customer. Police is estimating value of the drugs as 8,09,200 rupees in the international market.
Anti-narcotic cell of Goa Police under the leadership of PI Suraj Parankar arrested one accused Yashuji Hinnagatta, age 50 years, Japanese national, who was found in illegal possession of 586 grams of charas and 1.81 grams of liquid LSD. The approximate value of the seized contraband is rupees 8 lakhs.
The accused Yasuji Hingata is a DJ and has been playing music in different clubs in North Goa. He has been visiting Goa for the last 4 years. He was previously arrested with a small quantity of drugs. Police is investigating his links with drug peddlers and the customers. Meanwhile, Margaon Town Police arrested Javed Sheikh. His name reflects in possible NSA list. He has 4 heinous crimes registered in his name. Sources say that he was attached to one Chopsy gang operating in both districts. Reporters Mukesh Kumar and Pratik Parab with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent. One youth died in a fatal accident at Bori. Saibullah Sheikh, aged 19, from Durgabad Ponda, died after 2 bikes clashed each other. Saibullah was on a bike with triple seat. Other 3 people injured in the accident were shifted to Ponda Government Hospital. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.